There are scones inside, huh? I'll get the scones inside.
First you get your picture.
Scones! Huh?
Curly dropped me.
Okay, ma.
You bothered you go now?
Who bothered?
Yeah, ready?
Curly.
Yeah.
When does he not? He's not really bothered. If I don't know, he's there.
कुछ बताइए ना, just ऐसा बता रहे कुछ.
Okay, fine. First of all, this is a launch party of our new venture, Kitchen 1623. 1623 is like 16 May. Like my husband is born on that day, and me 23rd May. So we thought this is going to be the best name for it. So this is a high tea setup here. What I can say, where can I start from? Like we have chocolate upside down gooey blondie, and then we have custard tart. Lots of things are there. This is a special cake that I have made. It is called as Guinness chocolate cake. It is made of stout beer, and these are Rocky Roads. These are homemade marmite and jams.
So this is where.
And this is a tea cake. These are special cupcakes that is called as Maureen cupcakes. These are my special brownies.
Where you have the full.
My brother's
You
got a
must start
call.
working. So. Hey.
I work for maintenance consultant.
Hi baby.
What? I didn't know.
Ah.
You know maintenance or what?
I didn't know you started working on something.
Yeah.
Up cross lane, left hand side fourth cross lane.
I've got a good job.
What is?
And we take a left, you bank opposite Egypt, Nestle.
I'm the food and beverage manager from the new stuff that comes in.
Give him the height here.
And there's a what's up? Roti.
How are you going? Hi.
Hey, what's up? How are you?
Okay. Look at her like she's oh sorry, I forgot.
How are you?
He knows everybody.
Good, yeah. So, where is the...
No,
It's like...
we all go like the chef and we can't take it all.
Thank you.
It looks good. Hey, what's up? Possession, then all the like the blueprints will start to be made and everything.
Hi Manshu, how are you?
Deepak ji.
Hi, I'm Radha. There's a lot of people that I can introduce you.
थोड़ा face turn. थोड़ा chill down.
What, you're so sensitive. No, I don't know. Give you a bottle of water. You're the stronger one. You're the stronger one. Snapshot one. Oh, she's tired. Come. Yeah.
Here, dude, I'm here.
Maybe. You know my sister, right? Media work that you will see, that's going to be my sister. Why are you going there? We were huh? Yeah, of course I have to say. We were supposed to start 180 first. Then we just dropped that idea and then we came up with Kitchen 1623. That's it.
Even the ones that you want.
No, I'm going to take this in the kitchen.
So, you take from here, no? Yeah.
Hello?
Okay, I'll try. It's not required now, right?
My
Were you working?
the other day from over there.
Yeah. Okay, I'll
Or put that's so much. You know what that is, right? Tea. That's green tea with level tea. So, you good for it?
Sorry?
That's really so,
Ron? We will do two words
I'll
together.
bring my laptop.
Now, देखो क्या हो रहा है? Smile, please, sir. Nervous लग रहा है.
Excuse me.
Kitchen.
Yeah, ma'am.
Kitchen 120.
Okay. Okay, this is a shout out for Kitchen 1623. And sorry.
Having high tea today.
Alright, this is our high tea party tour today, and this is our launch for our page, Kitchen 1623. We have made a lot of stuff. We have worked really hard for this. Please, you have to have this, and you have to give us lots of orders, and we want to get famous. And thanks to everybody who has helped me, my husband, my sister, my friend, my mom. Come here.
आइए. Ramaji.
And a special thanks for being my backbone.
ये. angel thing, maybe coffee पे क्या Costa पे क्या नहीं मैं just पी के आया चाय बनवाऊँ क्या
कॉफी चाय मसाला
also vegetarian.
कहाँ पे? थोड़ा मैं जगह बना के उसको लाती हूँ।
That as well.
प्लेट का लिए
angel thing, maybe coffee पे क्या Costa पे क्या नहीं मैं just पी के आया चाय बनवाऊँ क्या
कॉफी चाय मसाला
Also vegetarian.
कहाँ पे? थोड़ा मैं जगह बना के उसको लाती हूँ।
That as well.
प्लेट का लिए
Otherwise, the plate is loaded and then you take a photograph.
Which one is?
And that's apple and lemon churro.
Then you have to
But this okay?
that's the biggest conundrum. Should I? I'm thinking let the
Marshmallow making and toffee making, but it did work very well. For few of those cupcakes, I have not put a lot of marshmallow because homemade marshmallow is made of egg whites and sugar. Okay, so a lot of people they cannot digest that kind of stuff. So there are some cupcakes it is without the marshmallow on it. So these are called as s'morian cupcakes. S'morian cupcakes they are inspired by s'mores. These are American treats. Basically, these have been made when people in America they go for campfire, and they make something called as those crackers, and crackers is filled with marshmallow and chocolate, and it is roasted and eaten. So it is inspired by the same dish, s'more. So this is s'morian cupcakes. So it's a chocolate base, very 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 soft chocolate based cupcake, and it's topped with a lot of chocolate on top of it, and then there is a homemade marshmallow. And it is topped with a square of chocolate in it. So it is more or less like having a s'more. So, and for high tea, I need to read out something, okay, because I have read a book and I have really got inspired. In Australia, when I was studying there, I worked a lot for high tea, and I used to love doing that because it's very girly. People can dress up, frock up, wear high heels, wear hats and caps, and they can go there. And even guys, they like to go for high tea. They take their ladies. That take their ladies for I'm not going to wear that. They take their ladies for their anniversary, or ladies they get together for baby shower. High tea is just very versatile. You can do lots in high tea. Tea, coffee, sandwiches, scones, clotted cream and jam, and you can see this is high tea, and you can elaborate more than this. So I'll just read out something very nice about high tea. Where did it start from? Just have some patience. It would be just 5 to 6 minutes, I guess. Yeah, please hold your. This book was been gifted to me by my colleagues in Australia, and they knew that one day I would do something with high tea. So they just thought maybe I'll get inspired by that. So, the history of high tea. It was around 1830 when the ritual of high tea is said to have been established by Anna Maria Stanhope, the 7th Duchess of Bedford. With lunch served at noon and dinner not eaten until 8 o'clock at night, the Duchess would order the kitchen to prepare a tray of tea, pastries, bread and jams around mid-afternoon. It became an adored habit, and as most aristocratic men were enjoying light meals and refreshments at the Gentlemen's Club, the Duchess took to inviting her lady friends to join her for the afternoon tea at Belvoir Castle. Well, being a lady in waiting for Queen Victoria, the Duchess had soon set a trend amongst the upper class, and by the early 1840, the term afternoon tea was widely used. High tea, meanwhile, was a daily affair for the working classes who did not have the time or the wealth to enjoy the delicate pleasure of afternoon tea. They had a full meal at midday while at work and would then prepare an evening meal or a tea around 6 o'clock. So you all were invited at 6 o'clock for that. This meal would be served at a high table and would consist of bread, cheese, cold meats and eggs, and of course a nice pot of tea. Yes, you guys are having tea. We could only arrange 2 different sorts of tea. Maybe in future we can get you more fine teas. This soon became referred to as a high tea. Today the term high tea commonly refers to the earlier practice of afternoon tea, where tea is served from mid-afternoon to early evening along with a selection of sweet and savoury finger foods. Fortunately, for most, the luxuries that were once exclusively reserved for the upper class people are now available to be enjoyed by one and all. We have to really be very careful when you're doing high tea, if it is the classic high tea. You have to have the etiquettes to do the invite that we did online, the dress, you can see. I'm going to force you people to dress up, okay? Because I wanted people to come. Yes, and the nappary. Nappary is what? It's if I am a host, guys. If I'm a hostess, nappary is what? If I have opened napkin and I've laid it on my lap, that means you all can start with a high tea. It's a sign to say that now you can go. So, and then you have from the cutleries to the tea etiquette, scone etiquette. Scone, well, you guys are having scone in the right way you are supposed to have, because what we all see nowadays is they cut it into half or this way or horizontally. But the right way to have it, do not slice your scone in half, sideways or from top to bottom. Simply break off a small size piece, place it on your plate and then apply with your bread and butter knife the jam and cream just like a dinner roll. A fork is never used to eat a scone or a knife. So thank you for listening. It is just that I wanted you guys to know what high tea is. High tea is still a luxury. I'm trying to get high tea for the common people. So even there was a time when cappuccino, latte, these all were like you can only get it in 5-star hotels. Now you can get it everywhere, from CCD to barista, thanks to barista. And now I want to make high tea very famous, just as CCD and barista made latte and cappuccino famous. And on the streets for common people, I want to make high tea common for the common people. Thank you.
That's a property. Now no more food.
I'm so sorry to say, but you know, when they call you, they come to I confirm to
You were waiting for the
I'll just
speech.
call him up.
This is from me. They haven't come as
Rafat is totally like cake.
Yeah, look here. Yeah, look, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. This is a logo cake, Kitchen 1623. It is made of tropical fruit and fresh cream inside, and it is topped with chocolate ganache on it. And the color that you see, that is made with buttercream. So I guess we have this time to cut the cake now.
मैम थोड़ा सा आगे लीजिए कैमरे की तरफ
Done.
Ron, Rafat, come baby.
केक में तो रहिए आप लोग अरे मोबाइल चाकू तो देखो
Cut the logo cake now.
आइए आइए अच्छा एक बार काटने के पहले सामने एक बार पिक्चर दे दो मिल रहा है
Got it. Thank you. काटो
अब काटे
कटिंग आपका फेस नहीं दिख रहा
Yes, yes, yes.
सर थोड़ी सी घुटने पे आइए ना प्लीज
बराबर रहे हैं बराबर।
वो अभी घुटने पे और नहीं आते।
नहीं नहीं बस आते हैं, लेके आते हैं।
लेके आ रही है ना?
हाँ
मुझे
लेके
भी आना पड़ा घुटने
हाँ,
पे।
ये नाइस मैम
फ्रंट में आइए।
मम्मा आ जाओ ना सामने।
हाँ ये
रॉन
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम ये मैम लुक हियर
रफल कम रफल यार ना I don't know what are they doing like
कहाँ पे है? टेंशन में नहीं लेकिन उस दिन टेंशन नहीं हुआ मराठी के चक्कर में
सॉरी ये
अच्छा पैलेडियम
This is also with the
हाँ so with egg
बोल के कम ही खा
आपने फिल्म में काम किया है, में काम किया, शेफ हो गए, तो इतने सारे अलग-अलग डिफरेंट कलर कैसे आप मैनेज करते हैं?
Actually, I think I get it from my mom and dad because they are multi-talented. उन दोनों में बहुत सारे टैलेंट्स है। मेरी मम्मी अच्छी कुक भी थी और मेरी मम्मी अच्छी डांसर भी थी और उनके साथ मैंने बहुत सारे शोज़ किए हैं, बहुत सारे मैंने प्लेस किए हैं, एक्टिंग भी उनके साथ किया है और कुकिंग भी उन्हीं से सीखा है। ऐसे इंस्पिरेशंस और भी है लेकिन इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम देयर एक्चुअली। सो हियर यू गो, आई मीन यू गेट योर आंसर। लाइक पहले डांसर थी, प्लेस किया है, एल्बम्स किए हैं, एड्स किए हैं, अब शेफ़ बन गई हूँ। रियली आई एम रियली नॉट अ शेफ़, आई एम अ होम शेफ़। मैं कोई खास मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा फैंसी स्टफ्स नहीं बना सकती, जो भी बनाती हूँ दिल से बनाती हूँ मैं, और दिल से बनाया हर खाना शायद सबको बहुत अच्छा लगता है। जब उसमें प्यार जाता है तो खुद ब खुद वो बहुत टेस्टी हो जाता है खाना।
अच्छा अनुराधा ये बताइए कि आपने जो नाम रखा है अपने ये होम शेफ जो है आप किचन 1623, तो ये स्पेसिफिक नंबर ये किचन 1623 का रीज़न ये नाम रखने का कैसे हुआ?
ये रीज़न है एक्चुअली, रीज़न ये है कि 1623 नहीं है, इट इज़ 1623। इट्स नॉट अ ईयर, ये कोई साल ये नहीं है, ये डेट है, 2 डेट मिक्स है। 16th है, 16th में मेरे हस्बैंड का बर्थडे है वो, एंड 23 इज़ अगेन मे। 23 में मैं पैदा हुई थी, सो दोनों मिल गए हैं, दोनों मिल के साथ में काम करेंगे, तो 16 और 23 एक साथ। और मेरा जो ये वेंचर है सिर्फ केक्स नहीं बनाएगा या सिर्फ बिस्किट्स और बेकरी गुड्स नहीं बनाएगा। We have answer for everything that you come along with when it comes to cook any sort of food. Could be any sort of food. So इसलिए जहाँ सब कुछ मिलता है, जैसे आप माँ को जब एक किचन में घुस के मांगते हैं कि कुछ मुझे चाहिए, माँ कभी ना नहीं बोलती है। She has everything that you want. She can cater for any taste of yours. So हमारा किचन भी कुछ ऐसा ही है। आप जो भी मांगेंगे, most of it you are going to get it. If I cannot get it, we'll manage to get that for you. So kitchen, because it's you get everything there, and 1623 because these two are 2 dates, my husband's and mine. But yes, I just want to also tell you that it is just not me and my husband. My mother has a very big hand behind it, thanks for her, and my sister is doing all the media work, Karuna, and my friend Rafat, she is taking care of all the production work, so thanks to everyone. Thanks.
अच्छा ये हाई टी जो कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में भी आपने बताया ऑस्ट्रेलिया से ये जन वॉइस वर्ल्ड का, तो आप ये हाई टी के लिए स्पेशलाइज्ड होंगे कि एवरी डिनर लंच सब जॉनर्स के लिए आप फूड?
मैं सारे जॉनर के लिए बना रही हूँ। अभी जैसे आपको कहा किचन में आपको सब मिल जाएगा, एवरी सॉर्ट ऑफ फूड यू विल गेट। अभी जैसे मैंने आपको पैम्पलेट्स दिखाया है, उसमें हर तरह के खाना मिल जाएगा, एनी कुजीन दैट यू वांट इट विल बी मेड फॉर यू। बट इट्स जस्ट दैट हाई टी इसलिए मैंने शुरू किया क्योंकि एक इन्वाइट मुझे करना था सबको, एक लॉन्च करना था। तो हाई टी से अच्छा क्या होगा, जिसमें हर तरह का केक्स, हर तरह का सब कुछ, इवन आई केप्ट सैंडविचेस फॉर यू ऑल जस्ट टू शो यू दैट वी कैन ऑल्सो डू अ लॉट ऑफ सेवरी स्टफ्स। और हाई टी इसलिए क्योंकि ये मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है, क्योंकि मैं जब ऑस्ट्रिया में पढ़ाई कर रही थी और मैं अपनी इंटर्नशिप कर रही थी, तब वहाँ जिस रेस्टोरेंट में मैं काम करती थी और जिस होटल्स में मैंने काम किया है जहाँ, दे स्पेशलाइज फॉर हाई टी, बिकॉज हाई टी इज़ जस्ट नॉट अ टर्म, इट्स वेरी स्पेशल देयर। लेकिन हाई टी करना मतलब हर एक इंसान हाई टी करना चाहते हैं। यहाँ जैसे लोग शादी में संगीत करना चाहते हैं, वहाँ पे अब्रॉड में लोग हाई टी करना चाहते हैं। मैं हमेशा से सोची थी यहाँ जब भी आऊँगी हाई टी को सिर्फ लग्जरी क्लास के लिए नहीं, कॉमन मैन के लिए लेके आऊँगी। सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट ट्राई ऑन दैट।
अच्छा मार्केट में आप लास्ट देखी थी, आपने गाना परफॉर्म किया था, शेफ बन गई हैं, तो वापस हम पर्दे पे कब देखेंगे आप?
जब आप बुलाए Actually, see, it depends on. अभी life has become very busy right now. अभी busy हो गई हूँ, घर है, I got married, and हाँ मैंने dancing नहीं छोड़ा है. अगर मुझे मौका मिलता है तो मैं फिर से आऊँगी. But we all know it is very difficult to get a comeback again. But if I get, I will surely do it. But मेरे लिए डांस और कुकिंग ऐसा है जैसे आपकी दोनों आँखें हैं. आप दोनों को प्यार करते हो. आप किसी एक को नहीं बोल सकते हो स्पेशल है, या अगर मैं शेफ बन गई हूँ तो मैं डांस छोड़ दूंगी, या मुझे कभी मौका मिले तो मैं करूँगी नहीं. I'll always wait for the right opportunity to come. If it comes, I'll grab it.
तो आप अपने एक ऐसा एक्ट बनाएं जहाँ पे आप परफॉर्म करते करते कुछ कुक करें, तो जो खाना खजाना जैसे शो के लिए बहुत अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट हो सकता है.
I didn't get you.
मैं बोला कि आप जो डांस फॉर्म है, डांस करते आप किचन में कुछ करें और उसको खाना खजाना.
मैं तो ये हमेशा से चाहती थी कि ऐसा हो कुछ, बिकॉज इफ़ यू हैव नोटिस्ड देयर वाज अ मूवी कॉल्ड वुमेन ऑन टॉप. अगर आपको याद होगा, आप देखिए अगर आपने देखा नहीं है तो. उसमें द लेडी इज कुकिंग एंड हर हस्बैंड इज प्लेइंग एंड सिंगिंग बिहाइंड. सो मुझे लगा मैं जब डांस में अच्छी हूँ तो जस्ट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट डूइंग द कुकिंग शो वी कैन परफॉर्म वन डांस. If we are going to teach something in Italian food, we can do a very nice Spanish dance or some Latin American dance. If it is something in Indian, we can do some Indian dance on it. So here we go. So a dancing and cooking can go along well. Because when you cook, you do like to listen to little good music. अगर music बज रहा होता है तो मुझे तो खाना बनाने में बहुत मजा आता है.
Thank you.
Done?